Hi guys, how you doing? Today in Made in Home we bring you our own version of ramen. It is a tasty, wonderful and delicious noodle soup. I hope you're gonna enjoy. We begin with a basic vegetable stock. Always better to make your own. It is very easy and also you are the one who decides what goes in it. We need 1 carrot, peel and cut into small dices, the green part of a leek, 1 clove of garlic and 1 piece of shallot. In a stock pot, heat up some grapeseed oil, add your vegetables and cook them until softened. This will help to integrate the flavor. Also, to give some depth to our stock, we're gonna add dry mushrooms and 1 piece of bay leaf. Once our vegetables are soft, add 1.5 liters of water and let them simmer for 30 minutes. Now we continue with the toppings. This will add freshness and crunchiness to our dish. We need 1 carrot cut into thin sticks and 1 small piece of black radish cut in the same way. Also, we got some tofu. This will add some sweetness and texture to our ramen. And a little bit of ginger that will encourage fragrancy and freshness to our dish. And a few leaves of broccoli rabe. Also, 1 piece of spring onion that we're gonna separate the green from the white. Whoa! We are nearly ready! Have a look on what we have done so far. A few more steps. Once our stock is ready, we pass it through a sieve and we press it down to get as much as possible. We don't want to waste a drop. To add more complexity and flavor to our stock, we add this list of ingredients. Once we have added all ingredients, we take the stock back to the stove and we let simmer for 8 minutes. This will help to integrate all the flavors. Time to cook our noodles. In a pot, add 1 nest of rice noodles, boiling water and a bit of salt. Let it cook for 4 minutes. Remember that the cooking procedure will depend on the type of noodle that you choose. Once ready, strain them and plate them. Now we are ready to add our stock to our noodles. A few spoons of it, a bit of spring onion, black radish, carrots, sweet corn and broccoli rabe. Also a bit of sesame seeds and sesame oil. Et voila! Ramen!